I got this Nishiki premium grade rice from Amazon.com. It only costs $5. Add 1 cup of rice and 10 cups of water to the pot. Cook with low heat for at least 30 minutes until all the water gets soaked up and the rice will be very sticky. Make sure to stir occasionally and cover the pot for the last 10 to 20 minutes. As you can see, it gets really creamy and soft. At this point, it's already soft enough for a baby to chew. Now stop the heat and use a blender to make it even creamier. It's gonna be like a soup. I got this blender called Evla's from Thanksgiving Black Friday sales. It works pretty good. Now this is the creamy rice. As you can see, it's pretty creamy. And literally you can drink like a soup, but still baby needs to chew. Serve while it's warm and put the remaining rice to storage containers and put them in a fridge or a freezer.